Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Muzza's Manic Machines. Today we're going to have fun with the Ducati again. Got a little, there she is, in all her pride and glory. I have taken it for a few drives, for rides, not drives, and it has been pleasant to use, but I am getting it ready for touring. I've got a big tour going down to Phillip Island, so several thousand k's of riding from up here in New South Wales down all the way down to Melbourne. Probably not several thousand, but it's a fair bit up there in October, so I'm getting it ready. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm finding that if I don't ride it for a few weeks, it is losing charge. So I bought a trickle charger, as you can see there. I bought this one because it's 4 amp hours, so it should have good charge. It's electronic control. It's had one of the longer cables on it. So I'll be installing this today. It also came with a fused power cord, which it's got a 15 amp fuse in there. So I'll be installing this today and showing you how to install that. Let's get on it. So let's sit you guys here. Lovely people there. Right. And first things first, we grab the key. Take the seat off the back. Like that, and I'll come around the back here. Oh, just a bit of tilt and wobble there. Lift that up. There we go, there's the battery. So this is a really simple thing to do. So there's the battery there, and we'll be connecting our positive terminal at, our negative terminal at, and we'll zip tie it somewhere maybe down here on this side. I've checked that I've got enough length to my power point way over there, and it'll get there. So let me go get all the bits that I need, and we can get on with this. So, like I said, this is the simplest project to do. Anyone can do this. Alright, so there's the battery. I'll put that in there. And it takes a 8mm. So, disconnect the power. And so that's out. This is how simple this is. So we'll get this, we'll plonk it over there. Sometimes the little nuts inside the terminals fall and they can be really hard to do, but I think this battery's pretty good. I might have it in the same angle so then I can put the cover on. It's getting tight, which is good to see. Okay, undo the positive. Usually when the nuts fall down, what you got to do is get a piece of cardboard or paper and put it down so you can, I might tuck that up through there and just stick that there. These O-rings are pretty large, so we'll see how this works. There we go, do that up there. Don't know if that's doing up. Yes, it is doing up. I think. No, it is not doing up. This is what I was talking about. Sometimes the nut falls down on the bottom. Just sometimes get it started. It just doesn't want to start. Put that to the side there. No. Now the problem being is when I've got this down, this bolt isn't long enough. So let's try and no, that's not going to work. Okay. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this and then just slide it in. Just wait there, I'll get the side cutters. Or tin snips. Side cutters have gone missing. And what this will do, yes, done. Allow that to just slide in there like that. Yeah, there's our problem. Doesn't want to. It's not really how I wanted it to sit, but it will do. Just going to turn that around. I want the cover to sit better. It's always the little stuff that makes things harder. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's going to work on the cover. And now all we've got to do is work out where we're going to sit this. So I might zip tie this to that there and just have that sitting down there. I'll check it with the fuses. So I'll just get some zip ties. I'll just bring that back a little bit so all you beautiful people can see that better. Got some box of zip ties. Put the fuse down there, like so. Maybe spin it round so we can get it out. I'll just put a little zip tie to it. There we go, and we'll just tuck that in under there, like so. That's going to be nice. And we're going to have this maybe sitting there. I'll just put this down. See if we can get, just seeing if I can get access to it. Right, a little bit too high up. So I've got to bring it down a little bit more. But trying to make it look good too, that's the hard part. So we can always tuck it in like that. There. That should work like that. Oh, that dropped down a bit harder than I thought. Yeah, excuse my head, but there it is there. I can get to it. You can just sit there, tucked in nicely down there. Alright. I will... Excuse me. I don't have my side cutters, so I'll just use these for now. Nice and straight. Cuts on the zip ties. Put the daggy bits to the back, because you always want it to look good. We'll close it up. This is always the hard bit. I get the okay, we've got that in. Okay, that's in. Alright, we can try it out. So, put you guys back here. There she's in all her glory. Get the charger, plug it in. Turn her on. This can sit on the seat quite nicely. As you can see, that's why I bought this one, it's so long. You can just get the plug out, put it out, and boom, the battery blows up. I think we'll be alright. Turn it on, it's plugged in, and it's saying it's got 14.5 volts, and it's on trickle charge. There's a couple of different modes. And I'll just show you what's going on with the charger. So there it all just sits there nicely. And it just shows there. It's a bit hard to see on that screen. Oh, there we go. It's just doing a bit of a trickle charge. And that's it. That is job well done. Ah, need to put my tools back. Always put the tools back. Because a tidy workshop is always good to come to. And it does come with instructions. Didn't read them. Didn't read them. Worked out pretty simple itself. Does different type of batteries. But there you go. Nice and quick and simple. Anybody can do this, and it is so easy to do. These you can even use on a car. So you can just have them tucked onto your car, put the trickle charger on, and away you go. How easy is that? So there you go, just sitting there all ready to go for a run. Thanks for watching Muzza's Manic Machines. Hit the like and subscribe button. I've got plenty more content coming up soon, so stick on the channel. There's heaps more coming. Thank you for watching. See ya.